The following troubleshooting steps will help keep your poly strapping machine running smoothly. If your poly strapping machine is not feeding, check the tension adjustment. On the right rear of the machine is the tension adjustment wheel. If the tension is set too low, the machine will not feed. Turn the tension to the midpoint and try to strap your item again. If the machine still will not feed, verify the spool is loaded correctly. Open the left door of the machine and remove the spool. The strap should go over the spool. Now reload the spool with the arrow label pointing in. To load the strap properly, open the door on the right side of the machine. Verify the strap is routed over the brake arm pulley and under the large roller. Close the door and feed the strap through the machine. Then press the feed button. Now your poly strapping machine should feed the strap correctly. Should you have questions, Uline's repair department can be reached by calling customer service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.